Hey,
I mean, you
my girl. Yo, let me say no. Yeah, yo, let me say no. Your pum pum coming like a fresh dollar bill, you know. It just a print out. Yo, let me deal with it like a house.
Oh, you mean?
I make me live in there. Yo, my girl, let me tell you a joke. Knock, knock.
Who's there?
Me. Make me come inside. Oh, you mean?
Hey, listen to my youth, I'm not that type of girl. You
Yo,
don't
you
even know
move
me.
someone. Hey, just give me your IG so I can slide in your box.
Hey, me a son of Rasta boy, you pay for my service? Me no wanna rock pocket money no.
Oh, move your bum, but sure. Let me say no, stop waste my time. Me no want cash.
So hold on there, you know, cash up.
Cash up?
Yeah, cash up. You can send me a little
Yo,
something, you know.
let me say no, my girl.
91 she like that. My girl, you have to work for the cash up. Right cocky till he broke for the cash up. Free paper, but no baby, you have to work for the cash up.